In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube Shorts history. So from your home screen on YouTube, press on your profile, which will be in the top right, or in my case, in the bottom right, just here. That's going to bring up your history. That'll show your Shorts history, along with your long form videos that you watch. So to delete short history, you want to press on these three dots to the right of Shorts, just here, and then tap on Manage Your Watch History. That's going to bring up your YouTube watch history. It'll show you your shorts. So if you want to delete shorts one by one, you find the short that you want to delete and press on the three dots in the top right, just here. And then you'll see in the second last option, you have the option to remove from your watch history. Now, if you want to delete all of your shorts, then you come to the top, and in the top right, press on the three dots, and you have the option to clear all watch history. So press that. That's going to confirm that you want to clear all the watch history. Press it, and you'll see the watch history has been cleared. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.